massage tool designed with advanced principles of effectiveness and comfort in mind. With the narrow end of the massager, take 3 amounts of cream, each the size of a pearl. Dot the cream onto 6 points. Blend slowly in outward circles, covering each area 3 times. Repeat on the other side of the neck and décolleté. Now begin to use the massager. Hold it lightly between your index finger and thumb, with your finger resting in the groove. The rounded end should be pointing forward, and the soft curve underneath. To open skin's self-beautifying system, lightly place the massager in the hollow of your collarbone and tilt your head away. Hold for a few moments. Gently glide the massager along the lymphatic flow from just below the ear, down the neck and to the collarbone. Repeat twice more. Then, from the top of the décolleté, glide outwards towards the underarm. Again, repeat twice more. When complete, perform on the other side from the opening step. Skin smoothed. The purified, youthful-looking beauty of the face, neck and décolleté, accentuated with extra care and attention. Unlock the power of your radiance.